Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO Reno 13 Pro, and today I will show you how we can enable power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to swipe down from the top of your screen and then swipe down in this area once more to extend the list of visible toggles. And on one of the pages you should have a power saving mode. Now for me it is located on the second page right over here, so power saving mode. Once you see it, you can just simply tap on it and it automatically gets enabled. You can also see that it changes the filling of the battery color to indicate that it is right now running. As there will be a couple things happening in the background with this mode being enabled. So let's see, does it list anything here? Reduces system performance and turns off some features to extend battery life. Well, this is the most vague description of power saving mode I have ever seen. So yeah, anyway, if you find that something with the power saving mode the device starts to work weirdly, maybe your notifications aren't being delivered to you or something like that, just know that this is probably the power saving mode. Now once you're done with it and you want to just turn it off, find the toggle once more and simply tap on it again. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.